go edit the backdrop, remove this blank backdrop, click on that delete button, then duplicate this or duplicate this. Now this one I am going to edit my game over. This one I'm going to edit my game over, so I'll go here, I'll edit game over. So this game over, I'll format it, give it a color. Let me use color red. Okay, then I'm going to adjust it to make it look big, so it will be at the center. I'll also carry it from this side and position it a little. So perfect. So I have it well positioned. So this is my backdrop. Then I'll code the backdrop. So what I'll do on the backdrop is that go to my effect. When the flag is clicked, switch backdrop. So the look, I'll go to look. I'll go to switch backdrop to sky blue 2. So to switch to this. Whenever this is clicked, it will go to that. Even if the game ends and it shows this second backdrop, so whenever the flag is clicked, it will switch to this game, the blank one. The next one I will do is I will go to my sprite, and I will create a sprite that will look like obstacles. So if I click on this, I would rather paint it. Click on paint and create this sprite. The sprite I'm going to create, I will draw my obstacles. I think I will use draw these obstacles. Draw another. Let me use black color. I'll use black color for the obstacles. Okay. Then duplicate this, Ctrl D. I'll click on, where is my copy here? And I click on this. I should have drawn another one. Click on pick. Then I'll say copy, good. Then paste. So I can put this one here. So I can copy again and paste. Then I can bring this one down here. Just want to have something here. So the next thing I'll do is come to this place, duplicate this. I can change this to this. Change this to this. Then I can duplicate this. Then I can change this one. Remove this. Have only these two. Put this here. Duplicate this. You can have remove this, bring it down here, take this one up here, just to alternate it. I can also duplicate this and have two up. So with all this in view, okay, arrange this one. Good. No one is hanging. Okay, this one is hanging. Bring it down. Fine, perfect. Good. So my aircraft is to pass through this spaces here without hitting any of these obstacles. So that in view, I'm done. I will now code the backdrop. So on this backdrop, I'll say when the flag is clicked, then hide the, so go to look. Let me ensure that I'm starting from backdrop one. Yes, hide. So I'll go to look and select hide, but it won't hide immediately. It will wait some seconds. So wait how many seconds? I say how many seconds we're going to wait. Wait 1 second, then hide. Then I'll go to control forever. Then wait. I'll put another wait for 2 seconds. wait for 2 seconds, then create. Go to create a clone of myself. So it will clone itself. Then switch costume, go to look, switch costume. This time around, switch costume is going to pick random. So switch costume, I'll take this switch costume and I'm going to take operation pick random 1 to 5. I have 5 backdrop. Okay, so this is what I'll have. It appears and another one appear, you may not be seeing it because it's hidden. So I'll now go and create a code that will make the clones to show. So when I go to when I start as a clone, go back to events, and go to when I start as a clone, wait how many minutes? 1.5 seconds. 1.5 seconds. Okay, then change. Okay, forever, go to forever, something will repeat forever. Go to motion, go to X and Y, so go to X. X is going to go to X240, then my Y will be 0, so Y maintains the position where it is. Then it will show, so it will show at this time. Now it will show what was hidden, now will show. You see it, what we're holding will show. Then I will now say glide, which will go back to motion. Glide 1 second, glide 1 second, 1 second to X equals to minus 240. Then Y position, Y maintains Y position. Okay, Y maintains Y position. Then after this, you see there are multiples of it here moving. After this, it's supposed to delete the clone, delete this clone. So I'm going to stop this and start it again. So it's going, it's going, it's going, it's going,